Hey everyone, we're asked here to divide the monomials and then check the answer, which is going to be optional. And I'll show you, it's pretty easy to check. But let's make sure we understand what we're talking about when we say divide the monomials. Remember, a monomial is a single term. There's no additions or subtractions involved with monomials. So the numerator is a single term with, three factors, but it's a single term. And the denominator is also a single term, a monomial. So monomial divided by monomial. The easiest way to do this is to just take each piece separately. So take the coefficients separately, and you can even write them down separately. So 8 over 2 times, and look at the x's, x to the 6th over x squared. And then they take the y's, y to the 5th over y. Uh-oh, we don't see an exponent there. Well, and when you don't see an exponent, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and write in 1. If there's no exponent shown, it's understood to be a 1. Now, to simplify just the numbers, it's easy enough. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then to simplify the x's, well, what do we do here? X to the 6th over x squared. Remember that quotient rule that says when you're dividing and the bases are the same, then you just subtract the exponent. So it's going to be x to the 6 minus 2, which of course will be x to the 4th. And then the same thing with the y's. The bases are the same, so we keep the y base and we subtract the exponents. And that's why I wanted to put a 1 here. So we really got 5 minus 1 is going to be the exponent for the y term. All right, so we got 4. I don't need to keep the dots there, so it's going to be 4 times x to the 4th times y to the 4th, right? Just subtracting the exponents. So there's the answer. Now to check that answer, let's keep in mind this. If we're doing a division such as this, now this is unrelated to the problem, but if I have 24 divided by 3, well, we know the answer to that is 8. If we wanted to check the answer, we could say, well, I know that's right because I know that 3 times 8 is going to equal to 24. That's how you check that. And we'd check this the same way. We can take 8, x to the 6th, y to the 5th, which is the original problem, divided by 2x squared y. And we think that the answer, we're pretty confident that the answer is 4x to the 4th, y to the 4th. If we wanted to double check that, then let's just make sure that if we multiply this times this, that we do in fact get that. And it's easy enough to see that we do. 2 times 4 would give us the 8. X squared times x to the 4th is x to the 6th. Y times y to the 4th is y to the 5th. So it does check out, and we can be confident that that's our answer. That's the correct answer.